Hey guys, Zach with Edwards RV. Today we're going to be showing you this 2021 24 TRX Trail Series Outdoors RV toy hauler. A couple things up front. We have our chain caddy, heavy duty front power jack, two 30-pound propane bottles, and then a battery tray. It's a little hard to see. The unit does have a solar panel up on the roof. It's pre-wired for it. Custom fiberglass cap with the Rhino lining up front for rocks. There's an exterior solar ready port, so you can put in a portable panel. A change for this year, so with all outdoors RVs, we have the insulated compartment door, magnetic catches, metal hardware for the slam latches. But new for this year is this tray here. And so this will hold up to 800 pounds is what I'm told. I don't know if it mentions here yet. 800 pounds when evenly distributed. And so it comes out, and as you can see, you can reach some of that hard to reach places in behind. And just feeling it's nice, heavy duty build, just like outdoors RV stuff. And then same thing underneath, we have the rubber checker plated floor and the nice finishings. And on one of the videos you see, they started insulating up here too, and I believe that's a newer change. Diamond scoring siding, power awning with the weather shield, outdoor speakers, alloy entry steps, Moride CRE 3000 suspension. So the tires, recognizable brand, they're Goodyear trailer tires. They're G-range tires. Very rare for us to see that on any RVs. Our toy haulers have that, and it's a brand name tire. You won't be able to see it on the video. You can see just the corners of the tips of it, but it does have shocks, 2 per axle, and then the frame, nice big frame underneath there. Clearance lighting's all screwed in. Fuel station back here. It's locked, but the hose would come out. And then thermal pane windows. But we're going to keep walking around. KYB, the shocks, they were KYB. I didn't mention that there. It has a Thule awning out the back, a nice patio folded down. We won't show that in the video today, but when we redo maybe one of our summer videos, we'll give you a hint of that. Over on this side, a ladder up to the top. You'll notice a lot of ground clearance too, especially at the back. So if you're going over any off-road stuff, you have a lot of clearance as it kind of angles up at the back. 10-gallon hot water tank. And then a little SureFlow water pump, and there's a compressor in here as well. So you can kind of see you have an onboard air compressor. And I'll let you get in there. And then on the side, Outdoors RV has been doing this for a couple of years now, but there's access points. So if you want to reach any of your valves, you don't have to get up underneath. You can reach right through. Other than that, 4,000 watt Onan generator. And then this is kind of neat. Most RVs, you'll have the big bumper on the back. Because it's a 12R, we don't get that. And they put a spot to put your sewer hose. That's the outside of the 24 TRX. I'll show you the inside. Okay, so inside the 24 TRX, a few things in the bedroom area I'd like to point out. Firstly, with every outdoors RV, you get an insulated vent cover for the bedroom area. It's a pillow top mattress with storage underneath. And there's spots, it'll be a little hard to see on video, but there's spots for the leggings for the table. So you have an area to store them so they're not rolling around in the back toy area. Underneath the cabinets here, there's residential style plugins as well as USB ports on both sides for charging devices, which is nice, as well as a spot to put things. Over on that side of the bed, there is a safe above as well with a combination lock. And then you won't be able to see it on the video here, but just on this side, there's ports for a TV. The vent itself has a Maxx-Air fan built in, and there's a nice remote on a holster conveniently located beside the bed, so you can, middle of the night, too hot, too cold, you can reach and do that without having to get into bed. And then big storage spread across the front here. Moving to the back, we have our entry door. There's an extension for the table, the counter, I should say. And at the entry doors, the generator start button, awning, the tank levels, heated freshwater tank button, and then our level control for the bed lift, which we won't show you in the video, but we'll explain how it works. Glass top for the range, glass oven door, microwave, kind of a stone feel countertop, farm style sink with a drain. I call it a drain tray. I'm sure there's a different word for it. And then the hose is a residential style pull metal, so it feels quality there. Behind me we have our bathroom, which is located near the entry door. We have a residential style corner shower, nice countertop space, and then lots of room for your knees for the toilet. There's also a Maxx-Air fan in the bathroom there as well. Moving to the back, we have an Norcold hardwood faced fridge and freezer. Of course, we got our carpet. So this carpet here would roll out if you're using this toy area for residential. You know, when the toys are out, you're camping, you can put a nice carpet so it has a bit more of a camper feel opposed to a garage feel. But in behind it is a spot like for a gun rack, some more hooks up there, so in just another storage area. And then across from it is kind of a pantry. So there's lots of overhead cupboard storage on the unit, and then a nice big pantry beside the kitchen sink there. The very back, you won't be able to see on the video, but up above this bed, there's another Maxx-Air fan for this area to vent, cool, whatever you want to use it for. And this particular model, this is the recliners. There is an optional sofa option, which will look like this, but on this side, and it will fold into a bed. This particular model has the recliners with a little half table in between, and then the dinette, and then the bed up top can lower down. The TV is 12 volt. There's some USB ports and a Bluetooth audio player in behind there. Short of that, that's the trailer. If there's any questions, feel free to message us, call us, and we'd love to chat about any outdoors RV question you have.